All right, this is the craziest thing. So I have my cat litter here. My cat was scared because she thought it was a real cat. Now, we set this up. We are cat lovers here. We set this up in the bathroom because people use it for drying up their hands, but it's mostly aesthetic. It's beautiful. It has two buttons that you click on there in the bottom. It has a little beautiful little tail that it hangs in there. Now, this could be for not just the bathroom, but it could be for kitchens. It could be hanging areas. It's beautiful. Now they come in different colors. I like the aesthetics. It looks like a real cat from far away, hanging on the actual pole itself, right next to our towels. From far away, people are like, it's a eye piece right now. It's something, a conversational piece. That's what it is, pretty much the most. But at the same time, it doubles as a hand dryer and easy to wash. So you don't have to worry about any metal or any electronics or anything like that. You just hang it there, unbutton it, it's ready to go. So hope you guys enjoy this beautiful cat if you guys are cat lovers. So hope you guys enjoy the video.